Alright guys, this is the truck that I was saying on my last video that was broke. I have got it fixed, and I will be showing you all that here right after I show you the truck. This is a 2004 S10 4x4, and one morning I come out to start it and it would not start. So I'll let you see a little bit of what I'm talking about, and now we will go talk about it. Right there, that looks like them. Oh, you'll see when I show you it. But right there where I'm pointing the camera at is where I had my problem with my truck. Like I said in my last video. Anyway, here are the pieces right here. It's called a distributor cap on my 2004 S10 4x4, and there is the rotor right there. And I tried to start this truck like at 1 degree. It was about 1 degree outside and the wind was a-blowing, and it would crank like it wanted to start, but it never did start. Just went run, 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 and just kept repeating that throughout till the battery went dead. And I seen online where, you know, the distributor cap and the rotor was a known cause of the cold start issue. So I bought one, bought a Duralast lifetime guarantee one. I put it on there and fired it right up. It solved the issue. So that's all I really wanted to say in this video, is that if you're having that cold no start issue, it tries to start but it don't, then good chance that it's your distributor cap and your rotor. Distributor cap and the rotor.